Okay, in this video I will show you how to draw the part drawing. First of all, we need to open in the part drawing interface. Okay, so here I will start to draw the base of the drawing. So we start with a rectangle. Okay, the distance of vertical is 52 mm. Okay, the distance for horizontal is 106 mm. So we can extrude our pad with the height of 14 mm in order for us to get the basement of the design. Okay, next I plan to do the hole and also the chamfer. Okay, we can start to do the triangle first. Okay, with the angle of 45 degree and the length of vertical with 13. Okay, we check the distance, length should be similar. Okay, next we can move it to be coincide with the vertical length of the basement. Okay, we can do another one on the right side of the triangle. Okay, coincide the line. Okay, so if we have the cutting triangle on the left and right side, next we will do the circle at the middle of the basement with diameter of 9 mm. Okay, so we can create an axis line for our reference. Okay, the distance from the right vertical line is about we can calculate first. Is 106 minus 80. So we get the distance of the circle, but we want it to be so should be divided by 2. So we have 13 on the right side, 13 from the left side. So we can do the horizontal axis line. Okay, this method is preferable for us to determine the correct location of the center of the circle. It's much easier to have a axis line as our reference. Okay, the distance between the two circles is about 19. So now we have the intersection between the both vertical and horizontal line will be the center of the circle. So we can draw the circle at that center position. It's much easier rather than moving the circle. Okay, we can do the circle with the diameter of 9. Okay, now we have 4 circles here, so we can directly cut it or use the pocket interface. Okay, select pocket interface. Okay, we notice that the circle is 8 mm dowel to hole, so not each of the circle will be cutting to the last surface. So what we need to do is we need to rectify the drawing. Okay, what we do is you can see on the left side there is a tree of your method or action. So you can select which circle, which sketch that we want to edit. Now we will select sketch number 2. So we will delete the triangle. Okay, so we can focus on doing the hole. Okay, that's pocket. Okay, so we have room for 8 mm dowel. We select 8 mm there. Okay, done. Okay, next we can, okay, here is the drawing of the circle, the hole. Okay, so now next we will do the triangle, cutting triangle. We need to redo back. Okay, 45 degree and 15 length. Okay, we can move the line. Okay, the line are not attached to the vertical line. Sometimes it happens this way. What you need to do is just redraw back and do the coincide. It's much faster rather than troubleshoot it. Okay, we can do for the right side of the triangle. Okay, now we notice there is some constraint here between these two, so it's easier to redraw back. Make sure there is no constraint acting between this design, this line. Okay. Okay, now we have both sides of the triangle, so what we need to do next, we can do the cutting of the surface by selecting the pocket. So we can select to up to last. Okay, so now you can preview and you have this bottom side. Okay, next we will start to draw the above part of the solid drawing. So first of all, we need to draw the axis line based on the center line. Distance about 52 mm. Okay, so we can start to do a rectangle. Okay, with vertical line of 47 mm and horizontal line of 54. Okay, then we coincide the rectangle and distance from the center about 27, and the horizontal line we will coincide it to be located on top of the basement. Then we can start to pad with the height of 21 mm. So we have the combination between the bottom and the top surface. Next we will start to do the cutting, okay, the pocket. So here we will start to draw the main shape of the top design. So we can start to draw the placement. We can use a continuous line, it's much faster and easier. So we can draft the shape. Okay, so next, as usual, we will put the dimension, which is horizontal dimension is about 47. Okay, the vertical is about 16. Then the horizontal is about 6. Okay, 6 mm. So the height is about 5 mm. Okay, now we want to do the circle. We can use a 3-point circle. So we select each point, and also we select hemisphere of the point of the circle. Then we can put the radius of 54. So next we can do the trim. Okay, now this design will be the main design that we want it to be on top of the part drawing. But one thing you need to remember, in CATIA, it will be the method. One of the method is, if you want to pocket or pocket the design, we need to draw which area that we want to pocket. So here the idea is we put first the design, okay, the main thing, in order for us to do to finalize the design of which area that we want to eliminate. Okay, so now we need to make a design of area that we want to eliminate. So means the green design is our reference design. So now we want to eliminate area. This is the final one. So we can start to do the design, the line. Okay, then we can trim which area that we don't want it to be. Okay, now we have the area that we want to eliminate. So next we just complete the line, make it a close line. Okay, so once done, we just select check, and then select the pocket. So select the pocket, then we can go for up to last. Then we get the top of the design. Okay, our next idea is to cut the middle part of the part drawing. So we will select which area that we want to be the focus point or reference point, reference surface, to cut the circle. This, okay, so select the face. We are taking the behind, okay, or back view. Okay, so you will notice there is a two combination of cutting, which is one is the circle with the diameter of 32, another one there is a line of 30-degree angle. So what we need to do is, first we need to do the circle with 32 diameter, then we can allocate the circle at the correct location. Okay, here is the center of 27, then the center of the circle should be at the top line of the design or the part. Okay, so now we want to do the line of 30 degree. Okay, so first of all we can just do a triangle there. Okay, skip, so we can put the angle which is 30 degree. So we can move, but to be more accurate we use the similar concept, coincide the line with the line of the surface. So just select the line and coincide it, so you will get automatically the correct distance. So do it in the left and right of the circle. Then just coincide the line. Okay, so we have the correct one. So what we can do, we can start to trim which area that we don't want it to be. Okay, there is another line that we need to do, which is the line at the bottom area. Okay, so then next we can just continue to do the trim. Okay, so we have this shape, hemispheral circle, semicircle, and also some rectangle line. So next what we can do, we just pocket it to be the end of it. Okay, so now we have our final design of the drawing. Okay, the most important thing is you get the technique on how to do a 3D model for a little bit challenging drawing of these part designs. Okay, thank you very much. I hope it will help you to learn how to do the drawing. Thank you very much.